Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. As Wells says, 1 cent is possible. Wells has been buying different crypto coins worth of millions of dollars, and that was the time they talked about Terra Classic. Now they said yes, Terra Classic to 1 cent is possible, but there are still things that need to be done for Luna to hit 1 cent. But if Wells can believe that yes, 1 cent is possible with Terra Classic LUNC, it means that yes, it is possible for me too. I love Terra Classic so much, even though this what happened some few about last year, but I'm happy because Binance are there also. Now Wells are getting interested, but 1 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent, which is the target for almost everyone. Some people believe on $1, but I believe on 1 cent. Yes, we can do it. That is what I believe. I believe we can do it. If this coin since last year have actually hit almost, that is over 400% in 13 months, 400%. It means there is a tendency for 1 cent in 24 months or in 36 months. It means yes, we can. Terra Classic can reach that level, be it 12 months, be it 24 months, be it 36 months. The most important thing is let it hit 1 cent. According to Machiavelli, just like Machiavelli policy, the great politicians, the most important thing in everything you do is to hit your target. No matter how long it takes, no matter how you go about it, the most important thing important goal, important dream of every politician is to win the election or is to get to that place they want to be. So for me, I'm using that policy. The most important thing for me with Terra Classic is to make profits. I don't want to know how long it takes. Okay, imagine investing $50, just $50 on Terra Classic, and in 3 years' time, I now start to check my balance. I'm seeing $5,000. I mean, you'll be happy. That time frame is worth it. Even though if it is 5 years' time, in 5 years, and you're saying you are saying $5,000. I mean, it's something worth it. So most people making money from crypto industry right now are traders, because crypto industry, almost all the coins have been going up and down. So daily traders are the one making some profit. But if you want to make huge profit, if you want to make huge amount of profit, then you must be ready to have patience with Terra Classic and other crypto coins. Give them some time, then you will see yourself making huge profits. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Meanwhile, on this channel, we'll be talking about how to make money online, how to make money from real estate, how to make money from e-commerce, how to make money working from home. So you will see some of my videos right now will be about real estate and how to make money online. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Now, please, Terra Classic coin, like I said before you invest on Terra Classic, you need to make proper research. You need to do a proper research, because I know there's other crypto coins that one can still invest and buy, but for Luna, they are still trying to balance well. So there's so many things about Terra Classic that one needs to be watchful. For now, we still believe that let the burning of Terra Classic keep on increasing. Let's see if Terra Classic can destroy and burn more coins. And Luna burning more coins means that Luna is also approaching to where we want it to be. So I believe that the future is good for Terra Classic and other crypto coins. This year is more better than last year. This way is looking much better than last year 2022, which I also believe that next year 2023 is going to be much better than 2023. 2024 will be more better, but the year 2025 is going to be one of the biggest year for crypto industry. The year a lot of people will be making a lot of profit. So buying coins now at very low price and making money then is going to be amazing. But remember, this is not a financial advice. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.